So you want to learn how to go live on TikTok? I've got you covered with this awesome tutorial. We're gonna have a little fun diving into TikTok Lives, what it looks like, how you unlock it, and I'm actually gonna go live here with you guys. It's gonna be a blast. So when you first log on to TikTok, how to go live is not necessarily obvious. In fact, it is a feature that can only be unlocked when you hit several key milestones. First and foremost, you must be at least 16 years of age, which hopefully you guys are, since you're here to learn about TikTok for business. Secondly, you have to be 18 years of age if you want to receive gifts while on a live stream. And third, you have to have 1,000 followers on TikTok before live stream capabilities are unlocked for you. Now, heads up for you guys, the first 1,000 followers are the hardest to get. Once you get past 1,000, it kind of feels like the tipping point where you start to see things naturally and organically growing kind of every single day. So I'm going to show you guys what the process looks like once you have capabilities to go live. You're going to go down to the plus button at the bottom of your screen, just like you're about to create a video. Now at the very bottom where you see 60 seconds, 15 seconds, and photo templates, you're instead going to slide all the way over until you see the live option. You have the ability to customize the photo that you use as well as the text that you use. Now if you say things like, I'm doing shout outs, you are likely to get more people on your live. If you have a verified account, more people will see that stream pop up in their notifications. Here's a quick example. You can see Minnie and Tank are live streaming. They have IVR equals follow, and then they say, we're watching your vids. Basically, they're saying, if you give us gifts on this live stream, we will give you more exposure, potentially boost your follows. It's a way of them bribing people to A, join their live stream, and B, send them gifts, which equal money. This is where the profile photo for the live shows up, as well as the text. You only have 32 characters to grab people's attention. So you may notice that other people are gonna post things like, I'm very rich equals a follow, or drama queen equals a shout out. That's all basically code for saying, if you join my live stream, you have a chance to grow your following. I might say, we're playing games, come join. Now you're gonna notice right here above the go live option that there's the ability to smooth your face. For example, you can enlarge your eyes. Then we can also smooth my skin until it looks like this is like silk, as well as reshaping my face. I don't use those because that's a little freaky to me. Now, you may notice that a lot of the people who use live streams are personal brands and or influencers. But as a business owner, one of the best things that you can do is have an intentional strategy going into live streams. For example, I think about like how T-Mobile's CEO spent so much time answering questions on Twitter and ultimately won over a lot of fans. The same thing could be true for you and your business on a live stream. You could answer questions, you could take people behind the scenes, you could take them to a photo shoot, let them see kind of what you guys are doing for the day, maybe come see manufacturing. You could even do live trainings or even breaking down myths or false beliefs that your competitors have instilled into the marketplace. Let's dive on into our live stream. Okay, so now to go live, just press go live, and I think we get a 3-second countdown. Ready? Awesome. So we're gonna hop on live and no one will be there at first. Just also make sure that you don't have any music streaming because you'll get in trouble with copyright. Before we start the game, I want you guys to do me one huge favor. Share this live stream with your friends because let's get as many people playing the game as we can. Beautiful. Thanks, Mariah. Thanks, the Retro Market. We're gonna do my favorite food. Once I say it, you have to drop it as fast as you can. Drop an ice cream emoji. The very first one that I see on my screen, and we're going according to what we see here, is warrior_Kaylee_429. Everyone go follow Kaylee. All right, guys, I have to go. You may have noticed that I got some gift points. I said thank you to the people who sent me gifts while we were on a live stream, but I made sure not to make too big of a deal of it. However, if someone gave me a big gift, like an I'm very rich or a drama queen, that can translate from anywhere from $10 to $50. And so you want to obviously make a big deal of those people. We had a total of 195 viewers. The more time you spend on, even though it's uncomfortable, the more followers you get over time. And there are rumors that I can't confirm that whenever you do a live on TikTok for the next 24 hours, your videos are more likely to perform well for whatever reason. When it's time to end your live stream, you actually want to go semi-abruptly. I normally like to use this call to action, and it's, hey guys, go follow my profile because I'm about to leave and I don't want you guys to miss the next one. And you'll notice people take action on whatever your call to action is. They'll literally go follow you right there and then. Now, another question that I get quite a bit about live streams is, is, am I able to save this? Does it show up on my profile for 24 hours? Do I need to address people who are on the replay? At the time of this recording, there is no replay. It is just what you see is what you get for live streams, and then they disappear. As for the best times to go live, this would relate to the peak times for you to go live based on your TikTok analytics. Just like I talked about in how to find, analyze, and interpret analytics, you'll find your peak times to post content is also the same as the peak times to go live.